Welcome to RDO. In this video, I will explain you class 8 mathematics.
Now you can see here exercise 2.5. Question number 1. Solve the following equations. The given question is n by 5 minus 5 by 7 is equals 2 by 3. First of all, you can keep only variable terms on the left hand side. See here, variable term is only n or not. Yes. 5 by 7 is a constant or not? Yes. So that you can transpose 5 by 7 to RHS. That means you can see here implies, can I write here, see, n by 5 is equals 2 by 3 plus 5 by 7. Yes or no? Just a transpose. You can write here transposing 5 by 7 to RHS. See, it is minus 5 by 7. If I am transposing to RHS, it will become plus 5 by 7 or not? Yes or no? Yes. So that now you can see here, find the LCM of these 3 and 7. That means 7 3 is how much? 21. Or you can do cross multiplication, which is convenient to you. See here, 3 7 is 21. I am writing here 2 7 is how much? 2 7 is, you can write here 2 into 7 plus here 5 3 is. That means here 5 into 3 is equal to here 2 7 is how much? 14 plus 5 3 is how much? 15 by 21. 14 plus 15 is how much? 29. 29 by 21. That means here n by 5 is equals 29 by 21. Implies you can write here n is equal, just you can transpose 5 to RHS. That means you can write here 29 by 21 into 5. That means you can write here 5 9 ja how much? 45. 5 2 ja 10. 10 plus 4 14. 145 by 21. N is equal to how much? 145 by 21. If you want to express in a mixed fraction, you can convert them and write in mixed fraction. Now you can solve this equation. X by 3 minus x by 4 is equal 14. Already those are having variable terms. So that you can first of all find the LCM of 3 and 4. What is the LCM of 3 and 4? 12 or not? Yes, you can write here implies 12 is your LCM. Next you can divide LCM with the denominator. That means here 3 4 is 12 or not? Yes, you can multiply 4 with x. That means you can write here 4 into x minus here. Divide LCM 12 with 4. 4 3 is 12 or not? Yes, you can multiply 3 into x. 3 into x is equals 14. In the similar way, you can simplify here 4 into x, 4x only, minus 3x by 12 is equals 14. 4x minus 3x is equal to how much? X only. Yes or no? X is equal, can I write here 14 into 12 or not? Here you can see here transposing 12 to RHS. You can write here 12 4 ja 48, 12 1 ja 12, 12 plus 4 16. That means your x is equal to how much? Your answer x is equal 168 is your answer. Now you can see your third one. Simplify the equation z by 2 plus z by 3 minus z by 6 is equal 8. See here, all the left hand terms are having the variable terms as z or not? Yes, so that first of all you can find the LCM of 2, 3, 6. Why? Because all these are unlike fractions. Yes or no? Yes, I am writing here. First of all, you know how to find the LCM of 2, 3, 6. You know that. What is the LCM? 2, 3, 6 only. If you want, you can see here 2 1 ja here 3, 2 3 ja 6. Next you can take here 3 3 1 ja 3 1 ja. That means here 2 3 ja how much? 6 only. That means here LCM is equal 6. 2 3 ja 6, 6 1 ja 6, 6 1 ja 6, 6 1 ja 6 only. See, so that I am writing here directly 6. Next you can divide LCM with 2. 2 3 ja how much? 6 or not? So that I am writing here 3 into z 3z. I am writing directly. See here 3 2 ja 6. That means you can write here 2 into z 2z. Minus 6 1 is 6. That means 1 into z only. 1z only. Yes or no? Is equal to 8 only. You can simplify here 3z plus 2z is how much? 5z. 5z minus z by 6 is equal to 8. In the simplify, you can hear 5z minus z is equal to how much? 4z. 4z is equal, can I write here 8 into 6 or not? Yes, you can write here transposing 6 to RHS. 6 to RHS. Yes or no? Yes. Next you can see here z is equal, can I write here 8 into 6 by 4 or not? Yes. Why? Because here also I am writing since transposing 4 to RHS. Transposing 4 to RHS. See, here 4 is multiplying with z or not? If I am transposing 4 to RHS, it will become division or not? Yes. You can see here 4 1 ja 2, 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. That means 2 6 ja how much? 12. That means you can write here answer is equal to z is equals 12. Z is equal to 12 is your answer. Now you can see here one more question. Solve the equation 2x minus 3 by 3x plus 2 is equal to minus 2 by 3. Whenever this kind of problems are given, first you can do here cross multiplication. That means you can multiply 3 into 2x minus 3 and minus 2 into 3x plus 2. You can write here by cross multiplication we get, just you can see here, you can multiply here cross multiplication. That means can I write here 3 into 2x minus 3 is equal to another one here minus 2 into 3x plus 2. From here onwards you know how to do. See here 3 2 ja 6x minus 3 3 ja 9 is equal minus 2 into 3 minus 6x. Here minus into minus, sorry, minus into plus, minus 2 to how much? 4 only. Now you can simplify. How can you simplify? Just you can transpose variable terms to LHS, constant terms to RHS, so that you can transpose minus 6x to LHS, minus 9 to RHS. That means you can write here 6x plus 6x is equal to minus 4 plus 9. Minus 9 will become plus 9. You can see here 6x plus 6x is equal to how much? 12x. Yes or no? Yes, 12x is equal. Minus 4 plus 9 is how much here? 5 only. That means you can write here x is equal to 5 by 12. That means you can transpose 12 to RHS. If I am transposing 12 to RHS, it will become division or not? Yes, so that your answer will become x is equal 5 by 2. Sorry, 12. Now you can see here exercise 2.5 question number 12. Simplify the equations 3t plus 1 by 16 minus 2t minus 3 by 7 is equal to t plus 3 by 8 plus 3t minus 1 by 14. First of all, you can look here, these are all unlike fractions, so that you can simplify using LCM. You can first of all find the LCM of these two terms. After that you can find the LCM of these two terms. After that you can do cross multiplication and then you can simplify. You will get answer. First of all you need to see what is the LCM of 16 and 7. You can find it LCM of 16 and 7. These are not having no common factors or not? Yes, so that I am writing here 16 into 7. You can directly write 7 6 how much? 42. 7 1 ja 7. 7 plus 4 is how much? 11. That means 112 is your LCM. So that you can write here 16 7 ja 112. So that you can write here 7 into 3t plus 1. Instead of finding LCM, you can do cross multiplication also. Here also see minus 7 16 ja 112. That means here 16 into 12 minus 3. 16 into 2t minus 3 is equal. See here also you need to find the LCM of 8 and 14. What is the LCM of 8 and 14? You can find it here. 2 4 ja 8, here 2 7 ja 14. Yes or no? If you want you can write here 2 2 ja 4 7. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 7 ja how much? 56. So that you can write here LCM is 56. See 8 7 ja 56. So that you can write here 7 into t plus 3. 7 into t plus 3 plus here 14 4 ja how much? 56 or not? So that you can write here 4 into 3t minus 1. And the next step you can see here 7 3 ja how much? 7 3 ja 21t plus 7 1 ja here 7 minus 16 2 ja 32t minus into minus plus here 16 3 ja how much? 48 by 112. By how much? 112 is equals 7 into t how much? 70 plus 7 3 ja how much? 21 plus 4 3 ja how much? 12t here minus 4 1 ja 4 only by 56. Next you can simplify it. You can add the like terms. 21 minus 32, which is the biggest? Minus 32, so that you can write here minus. Now you can subtract smallest number from biggest number. 32 minus 21 is how much? 11t plus 7 plus 48 is how much? 55 by 112 is equals. Here see 70 plus 12t is how much? 19t plus 21 minus 4 is how much? 17 by 56. See, you can do from here onwards, do cross multiplication. By cross multiplication we get, see, you can multiply the numerator by the denominator of RHS and also the numerator of RHS with denominator of LHS. That means I am writing here 56 into minus 11t plus 55 is equals 112 into 19t plus 17. See, once you can observe here 56 and 112 having common factors or not, so that I am simplifying. You can see here 56 1 ja 56, 56 2 ja 112, yes or no? 2 6 ja 12, 2 5 ja 10, 10 plus 1 is how much? 11. That means you can simplify directly. 56 1 ja 56, 56 2 ja 112. So that I am writing here, see, 1 into minus 11t plus 55 is equal to 2 into 19t plus 17. Now you can see here 1 into minus 11, minus 11t plus 1 into 55, 55 is equal to 19 ja 38t plus 2 17 ja 34. Now you can transpose minus 11t to RHS, 34 to LHS. So that I am writing here 38 plus 11t minus will become plus t is equal 55. If I am transposing 34 to LHS, it will become minus or not? Yes, you can write here 55 minus 34. See, 38 plus 11 is how much? 49 t is equal 55 minus 34 is how much? 21. So that I am writing here t is equal 21 by 49. See, if I am transposing 49 to RHS, it will become division or not? So that you can write here 21 by 49. 7 3 ja 21, 7 7 ja how much? 49. So that you can write here t is equal 3 by 7 is the solution of the given simple equation. Now you can see here one more question. Simplify. X by 2 minus 4 by 5 plus x by 5 plus 3x by 10 is equal to 1 by 5. Once you can observe here the simple equation which is in the variable x or not. Yes, you can keep all the variables on the LHS, but see, minus 4 by 5 is a constant or not, so that you can transpose minus 4 by 5 to RHS. That means, can I write here x by 2 plus x by 5 plus 3x by 10 is equal to 1 by 5. This minus 4 by 5 will become plus 4 by 5. Now you can simplify. See, you can find the LCM of 2, 5, 10. LCM of 2, 5, 10 will become 10 or not? Yes, you can write here 10 as your LCM. You can see 2, 5 ja how much? 10 only. That means you can write here 5 into x, 5x. Plus here 5, 2 ja how much? 10. That means you can write here 2 into x, 2x. Plus 10 1 ja 10. That means you can write here 1 into 3. 3 only, 3x. Is equal. See, both are the like terms, so that you can add directly numerator. That means you can write here 5 as denominator, 1 plus 4. You can simplify here 5 plus 2 is how much? 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 3 is how much? 10x. You can write here 10x by 10. 10x by 10 is equal to 1 plus 4 is how much? 5 by 5. Yes or no? See, implies 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5. That means you can write here 10x by 10 is equal to 1 only or not? 1 by 1 means 1 or not? You can simplify here also 10 1 ja 10 1 ja. That means you can write here x is equal to 1 is your solution. You can write here x is equal to 1 is the solution of the given simple equation.
థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్ దిస్ వీడియో. మీకు ఈ వీడియో యూస్ఫుల్ అయితే తప్పకుండా లైక్ చేయండి, వీలైతే మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్తో షేర్ చేయండి అండ్ ఆల్సో సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి.